In this fifth video about how to install not just your bathroom sink, but also the components that goes on top of the top that you would use to support the sink, I'm going to show you how to actually prepare for installing the faucet. So it's actually just one situation that you can have, because the faucet, in this case I chose one which is separated from the sink, but sometimes the sink comes with a hole where you have to put the faucet. So elements that you have to think about are how much is the diameter of the faucet and how much is the potentially the hole on the sink prepared to actually receive. So I didn't have this problem, but because I just chose one that I could actually customize. But just be sure that you measure, that you see the technical specifications of the sink, and that you choose a faucet that will go with your sink. And there's also some faucets that goes installed directly to the wall. For that, of course, you have to do the installation from the water lines to come from inside the wall. This I have seen that a lot with especially drywall. And this can also, of course, be done and prepared with the traditional bricks, but I think that drywall is a lot easier for doing this type of installations and also for repairing this type of installations. So in this case, another thing that you have to take into account is how tall is your good, because as you see here, I have around 5 centimeters, a little bit less. So I have this line which is connecting with one element to actually screw it and adjust it, and this is almost on the limit. So just make sure that it's actually going to fit on how high your good is. And I want to show you the water lines. Mine came with these water lines. But maybe yours don't panic. You should go to the shop where they sell this. Can be a hardware store, can be a specific bathroom supply store. I go to a bathroom supply store. And where to know where to install which one, the hot and the cold? Well, I have been looking around and just found this. So this is usually, I think this might be universal. To the right goes cold, to the left goes hot, but just make sure. And then you can actually drop a line, and let me try to show you. I'm gonna try to remove it to show you. Yes, here we are. Slowly. Here you see there are, if I remove this, you will be able to see even better. Here are the entry lines. So just I can see here, this goes here, and this is gold. So this gives you the clue where to install each line. So that's basically it. I have to make the hole and just attach it properly, and then I have to make, of course, the hydraulic connection to the water lines.